What's up, guys? It's March 21st, 2025. Pretty cool day for the Bulls. It's Friday, so it's the weekend now. Hope you guys are having a good weekend, relaxing. Daily chart, 15-minute chart. Today was a cool day because the opening range was a breakout mode pattern. Al talks about that in his course pretty early on. Daily chart, so multiple legs lower, tight bear channel, but now we have that trend line break. Bulls got a pullback, leg 2, and now possibly we're coming to that third leg into the EMA, the daily EMA. Let me see this. The legs have been very sideways for the Bulls, so which is more trading range and trending behavior. We've had some legs in the middle of the day. Here we had a swing up. Yesterday we had pretty good range. The FOMC a little bit different, but there was still a swing in both directions. This was a hard day nonetheless. The swing came from the open. So the market's going more sideways than how it used to be a couple weeks ago. And we can see that right here. Could be coming into the third leg on the high of the last strong bear bar closing on its low. We'll see how the market reacts on the EMA. I think we'll pop up, maybe go sideways a little bit, and then maybe have another trend bar on the daily. We'll see whether it go up or down. Anyways, if we're looking at the daily chart, 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Sideways price action. This is the third leg, which tells us we're going to come into a trade range soon. There's a small gap. I wouldn't really call that a gap up, but the market started trending down here to here. Bulls breakout above this bar's range. Good follow through. Pull back, testing about the upper half of the breakout bar here. Rallies for second leg, bad follow through, and now we're breaking a trend line. So we have this was a trend line break. So trend line break, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, trend line break, pull back, possible leg 3. We'll see if the Bulls can make it past the previous high, or if bears start to sell off again. This is a tight bear channel. Pullbacks are getting deeper. Gaps in the chart, we had a gap down. We had a bull gap here. Exhaustion, pretty nice bar 18. I thought that would get followed through right away, but it ended up being a deep pullback. Testing bar 9's high. Rallied, we have 3 nice gaps in a row here, and sideways price action gaps get closed. Gap down, bar 1. Trading range bar, it has a bull body, but it has more tail than body, so it's more trading range. Same situation for bar 2, but bar 2 is a bear bar, has more tail, so still trading range behavior. Bar 3, we start to see a better trending candle, but it still has it has a little more body than tail, or maybe it's equal. 4, 5, and 6 are all trading range bars with more tail than body. Bar 7, trending bars, bears starting to sell off. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, deep pullback, leg 3 for the bears, or even just counting these legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3 into the low of bar 2. Bar 9's tail, bears try and go for a new low of the day. They make a new low of the day, but it reverses, making it not a good close. It's not a bear close, it's a bull close. So we're at the trading range lows. Bar 9 sees follow through bar 10 and 11. Bar 12 is the first pullback. Around here on bar 12, I was talking about in the Discord, this is a breakout mode. So this is bar 1's range. We have a reversal below. We have a reversal above. We have a big gap down. So when I saw the 3-bar micro channel, that's when I started to think more bullish price action because of the breakout mode, the big gap down. Yesterday's price action, we kind of rallied and then sold off. So I was thinking something similar today. Bar 15, I think is a cool buy. I took one trade and I bought the 15 close and scalped out right around here because it was testing the bar 14 was testing the high of bar 9, and then bar 15 rallies and gets 4 bars. 16, 17, 18 starting to break out above the EMA. Bad follow through 19. 20 is a high 1. High 1 in a leg 3 is a better fade. It's generally leg 1 for the Bulls, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. That makes 20 a high 1, and it's a better fade. We can see that bears have got 2 legs lower, breaking up below the EMA. 4-bar bear micro channel. 23 is breaking the first trend line. Then 26, 27 being that second leg. 1 second. Bad fall through 28. It's an inside bar. Best to get out shorts when you see an inside bar because that's a breakout mode on a smaller time frame. 31 gets a third leg down for so leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4 with the tails of 31 and 32. 32, or excuse me, this is 31. Excuse me, I messed up those numbers. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. With the low of being 29 is the leg 3, and then the low of 31 is the leg 4. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. The pullback got deeper too with the high of 30, so we know we're in training range. There's a lot more overlap than trending behavior. Then 32 starts to break out. 33, good follow through. 34, also good follow through. And 35, these are all bull bars closing on their highs. Things strong enough for bulls to close the gap or get at least a second leg from these bars. One gap here, one gap here, one gap here. Shallow pullback. You can count this as 2 legs. You can count this as 3 legs. I'd say it's both. So it's a fractal 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Excuse me. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. 39 is testing the midpoint, about the upper half of bar 34. It rallies for its completion of the leg 2, leg 3. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, bar 42. Nice looking bull bar at the end of 3 legs. Could be climactic. Bad follow through 43. 44 ends up being a pullback. I thought they could keep going, but then, yeah, 44 ended up being a pullback. 45, bear bar closing on slow. Good follow through 46. I think 45 and 46 trying to get second leg down. 47 is now acting as a pullback for these two rather than another leg higher for the bulls. Bears are using 47 as a pullback, sells off. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. 3 legs down, that's a wedge bottom in a rally. That's usually a good buy. And you can see that bulls made money 50, 51, 52. Bad follow through 53, makes a new high and then sells off again for another 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Rallies. However, this entire price structure got its own second leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. 3 bar bull micro channel. I thought could go higher, but it's generally the third leg, so you could say leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Triangle mode, breakout mode, sells off. Bear trying to get the breakout here at the end of the day. Bad follow through under the EMA, which is also the last swing of 40, was that 49? And then it rallies, and we have a good close, closing the gap. Strong bear bull bars at the end of the day. Pretty cool day. Do some measure moves and then call it. So 1-to-1 of the range wasn't met, but you'd have to sit through a pretty deep pullback. So think about that. You could sit through, it's not that bad if you buy these bars, put a stop here, but I don't know. I don't think it's healthy to sit through this bearish 2-leg pullback because this could collapse. We had a gap down. If you're long and you sit through that, I mean, your stop should be at the swing point, but I think you're risking the market collapsing. Trading range behavior, and we had some good bull bars, breakout mode, so it looks like the market went more sideways anyway, so you would be safe. In trading range, we get deep pullbacks. So you're looking for a measurement of this leg, deep pullback that actually breaks, but 15's low, so it's not the best. But 1-to-1 is met here, here, and here. I don't think that's a good 1-to-1, but that is 4 bars in a row. I think actually the 1-to-1, this is the better measurement. Met 1-to-1 pretty quick here with bar 20, bar 19, excuse me. The Bears get 4 bars down. See if they get well, they don't get 1-to-1, but you have time to get out. You have about 30 minutes to get out of shorts around here for almost the same price, honestly. You see 27, bad follow through, then you go 1 tick past on 28, nothing on 29, then you go another tick past it on 31. So you have, if you're short here, you have time to get out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then once you start to see the breakout 32, I think you really do have to be out of shorts because now you're getting trapped. Gaps are made by limit order bears. So in this particular case, this gap is made by limit order bears with limit orders at this swing. 32 breaks out. So that makes this a bad limit order, or this is a good market order. Market orders. So yeah. This obviously, well, does it get 1-to-1? Hold on. No, it doesn't. 1-to-1 would be around yesterday's 45 is fine. Let's see. Well, we know it gets the range. No. What about this last leg? Does it get 1-to-1? No. Okay, so we're in a training range, you know, usually don't get 1-to-1, just shy of the last. So this, if this was a training range down here, 1-to-1 was almost met. Bars are shrinking, so you're not gonna get. If I measure this, you're not gonna get 1-to-1 there. Well, let me show you. Bull to bull. You would get 1-to-1 if you get the bottom of the pullback here, or you buy here, here. It's a scalp training range behavior scalping, so just keep that in mind when you have these measure moves. Measure moves aren't the end all and be all of everything. They're designed to keep us on the right side of the momentum. 1-to-1 and 54, 53, 54 was met, barely met. It depends where you place your limit order, your take profit order. 3 bars here, but the low is taken out, so I don't think that's a good one. And you could go for 1R of that measured move here. Oh, that's bad. Right there, so the low of 71 and the high of 74. 1-to-1's met fairly quickly. Hey guys, that's all the measured moves today. You know, we had training range behavior, so it's scalping. You caught the swing, nice. You know, there's still swings on both directions, so you could scalp here. You could, I think, I like 14 as one of the better trades, buying 14, because it's just a clean 3 bars, 2 legs back, 2-legged pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. But in terms of the 2-legged pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, testing the high of 9, rallies for 1-to-1 pretty quick. Hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys have a good, safe weekend. If you learned something, share the show. And I should be dropping a members video within this week or next week. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one, everyone.